Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you how to convert Notcoin not to USDT on Bybit in 2025. Step by step, it's really easy, and I will also share a few tips to make sure you get the best rates. Let's jump right in. First, open the Bybit app or website and log in. If you don't already have an account, you will need to sign up and complete KYC verification before you can trade to convert. Then once you are logged in on the mobile tab, trade at the bottom menu, then select convert, and on the desktop go to buy crypto, and in the top menu then choose convert. Here you can see this convert options. This features lets you swap Notcoin to USD instantly without using the full trading interface. In the convert section, in this from field, choose note to Notcoin, and in the to field choose USDT, uh, Tether USDT, and enter the amount of note. And you want to convert or tap use all to convert everything. You will now see the live exchange rate and the amount of USDT you will receive. Then double check the details, amount of note you are converting and amount of USDT you will get, conversion rate and spreads. Bybit usually has zero direct fees for convert, but small spread applies once everything looks good. Tap convert. Within seconds, your Notcoin will be converted to USDT, and the funds will appear in your spot wallet or an unified trading account depending on your settings. And the tips and the best result: converting during high liquidity hours may give better rates. Always check the rate before confirming because price can change quickly. For large conversation, spot trading sometimes gives slightly better returns than convert. And that's it. So you have successfully convert Notcoin to USDT on Bybit in 2025. If this guide helped you, don't forget to subscribe the channels.